In this recording, we're going to define three basic types of discontinuity. First is point discontinuity. And so that would be where there's exactly one point where the y value is undefined. You might say, how can that be? How can there just be one point? Well, check this out. I'm going to show you a function here, a rational function, right? Polynomial over polynomial. And of course, we can't let x equal 4, right? If we were to peek at the table, we see that there's an error where x equals 4. But because there's a common factor, x minus 4, these would actually divide out, right, to simplify it. So the graph simply looks like x plus 2. Let's check it out, right? Slope of 1, y-intercept of 2. When you look at the place where x equals 4, where we're supposed to see this error, we don't see it because a point is infinitely small, so we can't tell. But we know it's there, right? Because we saw an error in the table, and we just know you can't have x equals negative 4. So what we call that is point discontinuity. When we were to sketch the graph, if we were to sketch that out, okay, we would just show something like this with a hole like that. Okay, a little point discontinuity. Jump discontinuity, example of a step function. So a step function is like your age. You know, you say you're 16 until the day you turn 17, and then you say you're 17 until that day you turn 18. So this is a step function. It has jump discontinuity, and usually these are filled in on one end, open on the other. Filled in on one end, open on the other. Otherwise it wouldn't be a function, right? The final kind of discontinuity, and the kind that's relevant for our work, is infinite discontinuity. And an example would be in tangent curves, as well as some rational functions. So if we were to graph the tangent of x, we would see infinite discontinuity because we have vertical asymptotes. Okay, so you can make a sketch for your notes of tangent curve that has vertical asymptotes. So what does that mean about rational functions? Well, rational functions usually have infinite discontinuity or point discontinuity. Thanks for watching.